Ever found yourself knee-deep in expense reports, wishing there was a magic wand to zap all that data directly into your accounting software? Or perhaps you're building an innovative financial tool and you're eyeing seamless integration with a popular expense management platform. If Expensify is on your radar, a crucial question probably springs to mind. Does Expensify have an API? And the short answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. Expensify does indeed offer a robust API, opening up a world of possibilities for automation, integration, and custom solutions. But simply knowing it exists isn't enough, right? Let's dive deeper into what that means for you and how you can leverage it. The Expensify API is designed to empower developers and businesses to extend the functionality of Expensify beyond its core offering. Think about it. Instead of manually exporting and importing data, you can programmatically access and manipulate expense reports, receipts, users, and more. This isn't just about saving time, it's about eliminating human error, streamlining workflows, and unlocking new efficiencies that can truly transform how you manage your finances. So, what exactly can you do with this API? The possibilities are quite extensive. You can automate the creation of expense reports, directly importing transactions from external systems. Imagine your company credit card transactions automatically flowing into Expensify, pre-filled and ready for review. You can also retrieve detailed expense data for custom analytics and reporting, allowing you to gain deeper insights into spending patterns that Expensify's standard reports might not cover. Furthermore, the API allows for the management of users and policies. Need to onboard new employees into Expensify quickly? The API can help with that. Want to ensure your company's expense policies are consistently applied across all reports, regardless of how they're submitted? The API provides the tools to build that level of control. You can even integrate Expensify with other business applications you use daily, such as ERP systems, CRM platforms, or even custom internal tools. This creates a more connected and efficient ecosystem for your financial operations. Expensify provides comprehensive API documentation, which is crucial for any developer looking to integrate with their platform. This documentation outlines the various endpoints, supported data formats, authentication methods, and example use cases. They typically offer different authentication methods, such as OAuth, allowing for secure and authorized access to user data. Of course, like any API, there's a learning curve. You'll need some technical expertise or access to a developer to truly unlock its potential. But the investment can pay dividends in terms of automation and efficiency. Whether you're a small business looking to automate your bookkeeping, a large enterprise aiming for seamless financial integration, or a developer building the next great financial app, the Expensify API is a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. It transforms Expensify from a standalone expense management system into a flexible platform that can adapt to your unique business needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.